Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's a little bit dark. I am sitting in the tractor on my family farm as it is harvest season and we are still combining late into the evening. I am waiting for the grain truck to get back here so that we can unload this canola into the bin. So I'm not actually creating any content tonight or this weekend. So I thought what I would do is make a video about my YouTube journey because it has changed since the last time I've talked to you about this. Now, you're going to see that I'm out fixing fence in the video, so I'll send you there. Thanks for watching, and again, sorry about the poor lighting. So this task takes me to the pasture, and it's a windy day today in Saskatchewan, so I've kind of found a little bit of a nook here that hopefully the wind isn't too bad and isn't annoying on this video. I know how people have zero patience for bad audio. Okay, so where am I at in my YouTube journey? Since the last time I talked to you guys about this, I had 30 subscribers, or maybe 29, and I was hoping to get 30. And now, as of this morning, I have 71 subscribers, which I'm super pumped about, and that is pretty awesome. Now, why did I get that many subscribers? I would say that I'm being more consistent in my videos. I have posted quite a bit more, shorter. Some people commented that maybe my videos are too long, so shorter. And I'm just posting what I'm doing. Now, here is the basic summary of where I think my success is, and it's a catch-22, or it's like a bittersweet problem to have. So my number one video is a video that I think was my number one video last time, and it's I regret buying a CNC machine, but I said the long mill 2.5, and that was my most popular video, and it still is, and it is still annoying people, and I'm getting comments. Just as of last night, I got a comment about, you know, how much of an idiot I am for this predicament that I'm in, that I have a CNC machine. One, I'd say, I thought that's what my video was about. I'm explaining to you that, man, am I an idiot? It takes a lot more than my naive thoughts. And again, I made a video since that video and since the last YouTube video explaining or giving a review, because I felt so bad that people thought I was trashing on the long mill, that I made a review, and it's an honest review. I'm not just trying to win points with CNC Labs. But nobody watches that video, and the algorithm doesn't actually send people there where I'm apologizing and I'm giving an honest review. So all they see is me explaining that I'm an idiot, and it seems like they don't get the point, and they have to then tell me that I'm an idiot. I know. So thank you very much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and so many good pieces of advice that people are giving me from that video. One of the best pieces of advice was, maybe you should tag a comment on there, which I have done. And that was excellent advice. Thank you so much for that. I've done that. I'm not changing my title. And I know I'm kind of using clickbaity tactics here, but I'm not changing it because it's the only video that anybody sees. So I can't take the only thing that gets people to my channel and put it somewhere else where nobody's going to find it. So I apologize. I'm going to keep taking the negative comments or the harshly constructive criticism that I'm getting, and I'm just going to hope that it pushes the algorithm to some right people. That is the predicament that I'm in. Okay, what else can I tell you about the YouTube journey? Sorry about my hand there. I would say that I'm making videos. I'm making things on my YouTube, on my CNC machine for my YouTube, that I know how to make, that I have enough time to make. And I can see that maybe my content isn't invigorating to people who have used a CNC machine. maybe somebody out there. I had one gentleman that I thought was awesome. He had a question. He didn't understand something, and I made a YouTube live about that just because I thought, oh, hey, you have a question. I can answer that. You're just like me. You don't know anything either. Awesome. Yeah, I think that's the problem that I have with YouTube is that, yeah, I want you to watch my videos, but if you know anything about a CNC machine, you're not going to watch my videos. So then my prospective audience is people who know nothing. I'd like to reach more of those people because as all this wonderful advice I have been getting, a part of me is like, well, wasn't there a time that you didn't know anything? So that was kind of my feeling or my sentiment towards the response I gave somebody yesterday is that, yeah, like if only I was born with the knowledge that you seem to be born with. So I just want to help people who don't know anything like me. I'm being too long-winded, so I'm going to end this. I'm loving the YouTube thing. I'm loving the CNC machine. I made this amazing forced perspective photography box for my class, and we did a photo shoot with it, and it was awesome. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy that I have my long mill CNC machine. Don't ever think that I would say anything bad about it. So yes, thank you very much. I have 40 more subscribers than I did last time, about 2 months. It's going to get cold here pretty quick, and the garage might be hard to get into, but I'm going to keep trying to make a YouTube video once a week. I'm a full-time teacher. I have a part-time job. I have a photography business. I'm busy, but I'm going to keep trying to do it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I apologize if the wind or the ambiance annoys you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful week.